Hello, now I'm going to show how to make averages of a log on the depths that you choose. So here in RMS we've got the data tree with the wells. So first I want to visualize the log. I open the correlation view and turn on a well. I want to display porosity, which is a continuous log in the log run of log poro, and I like a scale of 0 to 0.5. So on this log, I want to make some averages on the depths that I choose. And I like these two intervals, for example. So the trick here is to assign the depths, and I will use well picks as a means to do this. Normally, well picks are assigned to given horizons, and I don't want to mess up my horizon well picks if I've got it. So therefore, I will suggest that we make a dummy horizon, which I will only use for this. And I name it dummy. And now I can digitize these well picks by pressing this edit well picks button and do the create well picks. And I want here and here and here and here. And now I do right click and choose the horizon dummy. And I had them all selected, so I selected them all to dummy. So fine. So the next thing is to calculate the averages. So then we go on the job called log operations, and in this job we can make log copy, and this log copy can actually do upscaling. So we choose the well, and I had chosen this well B already. I like to make a new job of this. So this is the button to make a new job. I don't want to save the old one. And I want to set up the user int as user defined. So I choose well B. I don't want to use the default log run. This is the output log run, and I will call this average log run. I will create a synthetic. I will recreate it whenever I run the job. The log run depths will be decided by the well picks in the horizon called dummy. So these well picks will have the depths, and I will take the depths from the horizon I call dummy. And the operation I want to do is log copy, and I want to do puro. I want to do upscaling. I want to weigh it on MD, and I want to use a geometric average. The name of the output log, I like to call it average underscore and use that as a prefix, and then the log will be named average underscore puro. I can average more logs than one if I want to, but I don't need to at this point. So output log run is average, create synthetic log run, MD steps is at the well picks, log copy in upscaling, and then I save this job as puro average calculation, and then I run this job. And now I can add this log to, I have have the average log run, average puro, and I can add it to the display here, and I must make the scales the same so I can verify that it looks correct. 0 to 0.5, apply to all curves and track, so I'm sure I get it right. And there you got it. Now I can turn off the well picks. And this is the averages. If I want to see the values, I can go to the drill trajectory and choose logs, and in the average log run here I have got the values. So these values then correspond to these depths. Turn on the well picks again for the dummy. So you see that it corresponds. If you like this table to be sorted as an interval log, you can then see the intervals, the MD top, MD bottom, and the average porosity for that interval. So there you are. Hope it was useful. Thank you for listening.